Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use your Grubhub promo code. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, please do subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. So moving on, simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL grubhub.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of grubhub.com. So simply get logged in into your account and then scroll down below to order anything you want. You can simply add in any of the item that you want to order, and once you have tapped in the item, you can simply go and hit the bag like icon on the top right hand side of the corner and proceed to checkout. So once you have tapped on proceed to checkout, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your phone number, your details, and your pickup instructions. So once you have typed in your number, hit the continue to payment option, and once you do it, you will be redirected to your payment interface. So in the payment interface, all you need to do is simply scroll down below, and in your payment information section, you will find the option of add a promo code. So simply in add a promo code, you need to tap on it and type in the promo code that is available with you and simply hit the apply button. By doing this, you will now be able to use your promo code on Grubhub. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and wait for us for many interesting videos. Thank you for watching.